Hey my dear respectful audience, welcome back to another blog, and this is the day 23 of making video challenge. Okay, so in this video I will share some connector that will help you to make your conversation sound natural, advanced and confident. Okay, so at first let me introduce you with connector. So what is connector? Connector is some words or pages that helps you to add your idea or express your opinion clearly and makes your English sound natural and confident. Okay, so now let me share some connector that will help you to add your ideas or explain your opinions. Okay, so at the point two, some connector that add more information. Okay, so you can you can use this beside of that dash dash dash. Okay, or on top of that dash dash dash, or not only that but also dash dash dash. Okay, and the point three, some connector that change the conversation smoothly. For example, you can use by the way dash dash dash. Okay, or it reminds me of dash dash dash. Or speaking of that dash dash dash. Okay, and the point at the point four, some connector that helps you to explain you clarify. Okay, so you can use like I mean dash dash dash. Okay, or the second version will be dash dash dash, or if I say it another way it would be dash dash dash. Okay, so this was some connector that helps you to add your idea or express your opinion in another way or in next version. So that's all for today. See you to the next vlog. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.